Hey guys, it's Yvette, and I have my Just Another Button Company bag that I received. And you know, this is probably going to be a short and sweet video, but I wanted to share this with you guys. You know that I love buttons. And so let's get going. I started to kind of tear it and I was like, oh, I should probably wait and do that on camera. So here we go. I love how it says Happy Mail. I love that. Okay, so let's get it open. Okay, so I was in the Button Lovers Club a long time ago, like, I don't know, a couple of years ago, and it used to be very different, and now it's really cool because you get like a little tin that everything comes in. And just to let you know, there's like two different price points and that you can choose from whenever you join this. I'll give you all that information down below, but you can either get just the 10 or you can get the 10 plus the sprinkles. And so I'll give you all that information down below, but this also comes out every other month. So you're not going to get a 10 every month. It's every other month. So this one that we got for this month, or this by month, I don't know. Anyway, this time we got buttons that have to do with family gathering. And they all come in this collectible little tin. And on the back, it tells you what is included in that particular tin. So let's open it up. And I love how you can see the buttons like through there. And I love them. You guys, okay, I'm just gonna take a few out because they're all like fall colors and stuff like that. So we have, gosh, I'm thinking that's a pear, right? Got a little pear. And oh my goodness, this is cute. It's a heart and they've put like a little sunflower on it. And yeah, I thought maybe there was something else, but it's just a heart with a little sunflower on it. And there is, I'm not sure what this is, but it's cute. Could be like a little orange or something. We have a little leaf. And they'll also have like letters that will spell something. So let me see if did you guys watch last month? It took me like 20 minutes to find all the letters because I don't know why you'd think that they would stand out more than they did. And there was one letter that I was having a hard time finding. Oh, you know what? I bet it's going to say, it might just say family. Family. Okay, so I have family right here. I don't see any other white buttons, so I think that that's probably it. Oh, look how cute, you guys. There's like this little square button. And those are cute. There's a darker square button. And, oh, there's another little leaf. Show you the little cute ones. That one's yellow. And, oh, there's an acorn. You guys see that? I'll put it on my shirt. Little acorn. And they always have some like these in here. Those are really cute. They're little flowers. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that the letters we got this time just spell family. I say just, but you know what I mean. Another leaf. This one is a red one. And trying to see if there are any like more of those little specialty ones inside. Okay, I don't think so, but there's a lot of buttons in here. I mean, more than you would think. They're like super cute. And so they're all like fall colors in there. Whole bunch of different kinds. And okay, so there they are. And we have, the letters look like this. And it spells family. So we have an F-A-M-I-L-Y. That's how you spell family, just letting you know. So I have this. And because I also get the sprinkles look like this, and I'm hoping you could see them through there. These are in the fall colors. Oh, you might see better on the back. And there's a whole bunch of like different designs and colors and stuff like that. So if you are a button lover, you're going to love these little guys. They're just super cute. And there you go. That is I still call it the Button Lovers Club. I'm not really sure if they still call it that. I don't really pay much attention to it, but I'll give you all the details down below about the two options that you have if you'd like to get in on the Button Lovers Club. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Mwah.